Welcome back, Webmaster of Eastern Visayas State University, Ormoc City Campus, the IT people. Alright, so last video, we created this dashboard, and the missing part na lang is itong add user and also this edit and remove removing data. Edit and removing data. Now, ito yung target natin ngayon. Ito yung goal natin para maging successful yung add button here and yung mga buttons dito. Alright, so punta tayo ng codes. So, ito yung user natin ulit. Ito, this page, ito yung user natin. Okay, ito dito. And then, when we click this button here, saan siya pupunta? Okay, dito sa sign up. Okay? Then, we will create a sign up button or sign up page. Okay, so gawa tayo ng sign up page. So, control line again, then save. This is a page. So, dito, sign up page.php. Okay? Then, mag-code tayo para sa sign up page natin. But since we already existing a sign up page dito, itong sign up page na button, kunin na lang natin, gamitin natin dito. Okay? Or we can use, okay, we can use, lagyan ulit tayo, Alex. We can use, Alex. Carlo. Yun. We can use from the bootstrap. Offline bootstrap natin. Meron tayo doon components, then forms. Gamitin ulit natin yung form na gusto natin dito. The same din sa natin, sign up form before. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, copy natin dito sa code natin. Alright, so we have a sign up form for the sign up natin dito. Okay? Alright, so then tignan natin yung output. So refresh natin kung tama ba yung link. Okay, so ito yung form natin. Medyo pangit pa siya. So gamitan natin siya ng card. Itong card na to. Para maporma yung sizes niya. So pwedeng ito. Gamitin natin to. Card or anong maganda? Ito na lang. Okay, copy. Then, i-copy natin dito sa pinaka-first. Okay, ito yung magiging body kasi. Ito yung magiging holder ni form. So, the whole form, ilagay natin dito sa loob. So, meron ditong card title pwede dito. Okay, subukan natin. So, lagay natin dyan. Tapos, balikan natin yung output. Refresh. Yun. So, pwede natin i-edit dito. Tapos, tanggalin to. Special treatment. Special title treatment, wala na to. Okay, wala nang title na to. Meron ng title dito. So, this is for sign up. Add new user. Add new user. Sige, alt tab. So, yun. Ito yung title niya. The whole thing is a card. Tapos, we have here an email, password. So, edit lang natin to. According sa database natin, which is nandun kay PHP my admin. Alright, so dito sa database natin. Okay, ito, table. So dito, we only have username, password, lname, fname. So yun lang yung i-add natin dito. I-edit natin yung form. So for example, this email, so username na siya. And this is for name. Okay, then type is text lang to. And the ID, pwedeng wala na yung ID. Okay, wala na yung ID. And placeholder, enter your username. Okay. And then for the password, okay, password, tama, wala nang ID. Okay, then type is password. This is for, yes, password, tama. Address, no. So this is surname. Surname. Okay, so dito is uh, surname or last name. Last name. Then dito yung ID. Okay, we will remove the ID, and dito yung placeholder is for enter your last name. Okay. And next is yung dito naman, enter your first name. Kahit wala ng your, okay na yan. Okay, tanggalin yung ID. And dito is if name, then dito is first name. Display title or display text. First name. Okay, balikan natin. Yan. Username, password, surname, first name, and ito props lang muna. Hindi pa tayo mag-add. Why? Because we don't have yet here city, state, and zip. City, state, and zip. Wala pa dito sa database natin, sa table. So, props lang muna sila. Okay, so dapat maka-add tayo dito. Ay kulang tayo ng button dito. So, mag-add tayo ng button sa baba. Add button. So, i-copy paste lang natin si sign up. So, tatlo yung gawin natin. So, we have here save button. Save button is color green. Pwede. Or, yeah, color green. Success. Success. And, yung pangalawa is clear button. So, this is danger. Danger. And, clear. Merong close naman. So, this is secondary. Secondary. Yung kulay yung magde-difference sa kanila. Balikan natin yung output. So, yan. Tatlo sila. Tatlo. So, lagyan natin yung function silang tatlo. So, yung close muna. Yung close is i-on-click natin si close. Hindi. Si clear muna. Yung type niya is receipt. Button type is receipt. Receipt. Okay? Para pag clear fields lang siya. And the close button is gawa natin siya ng para ma-close yung form. Bumalik. So, on click is equals to window dot location dot href is equals to the location where the page will go. Next. Users. Yan. Babalik lang siya. This sign up form, babalik lang siya dito kay user. Okay. So, submit button. I-test natin muna. So, close. Balik. Yon, bumalik. Balik tayo. Add. Close. Balik. And type tayo dito. Type, then clear. Yon, nakli-clear yung field. Yan. Then, punta tayo ng save. Tanggalin natin si check me out. Check me out. Hindi na to gamit. Check me out. Alright. So, yan. So, save button. So, let's go to the form. The form, we need to put a method. Okay, method. Post yung gagamitin natin. And with the action, where to go next after submitting the form. So, question mark. Saan pupunta sa folder is equals to process / end. Yung page yung hahanapin na page niya is save user. Alright, so yan. Question, do we have a save user sa process na folder? Itong process na folder. So, dito sa process, wala. So, mag-create tayo, Control-N, save. Punta tayo ng process. Okay, so dito is save user.php. Save. So, meron na tayong save user.php. Gawa natin siya ng saving process. So, dito, we will call up first the database connection. So, /database/db con.php. Okay, so add natin si uname is equals to the post. Then the value, uname. Saan to sila galing? Yung post. Punta tayo ng sign up. Ito sila. We will post this. Oops, wala pa silang name dito. Okay, lagyan natin ng name. Name is equals to uname. Okay, then isa pa. Name is equals to password. Okay, next. Name is equals to last name. Last field name is equals to if name. Alright. So, itong mga name na to will be submitted when the button below, ito yung button na save, na click, it will go to this page under on this folder process. Dito sa process kay folder masisave. Tapos babalik dito kay sign up. Okay, so punta tayo ng user, copy and paste 4 na beses. For the password. Okay, and here is the last name, F name, and F name. Oops. Wala yung password dito. Password is password. Yan. Okay, so include natin when saving a data, dapat meron ding we include date and time. Okay? So date and time. So i-add natin si date and time. Time okay. Equals to date. Okay, so H for hour, colon, I for minute, colon, pwedeng mag-add tayo ng S for second, and A for AM and PM. Okay, dito naman is for the date. Date, and the format, F for month, J for day, and Y for year. By the way, we need to get a date format, default time zone natin. Galing din yan kay PHP. Default set. Kunin natin set. And this is etc/gmt-8. Okay, yan. That is the time zone na kukunin nila ni date and time dito. Okay, let's create now a query statement. So this is posted data. So query, tayo ng query is equals to MySQL query, then the connection from the database, then the statement where it says insert into tbl underscore user, followed by the field name, uname, password, lname, fname, time, date, and the value without S. Gawa tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan. Para madali. So, first here is the uname. Next is the password, the pass. Then the L name. Then the F name. The time. And the date. Sobra pala ng isa. Race. Yan, date. Then if the statement is, if the query is successful, where to go next? So ito na yung script natin. Mag-script tayo. Script. Okay, pasok natin siya dito. Okay, script, alert. This is for sign up, no? Alert. Then the message, new user successfully added. Successfully. Okay, then the location. Window.location.href is equals to. Saan pupunta? Nasaan tayo ngayon? We are here on the save user, nandito tayo kay process na folder. So, lalabas, papasok ng folder, admin page, tapos we will go back to the user. Okay, dito kay user. So, location natin is folder. Variable yan, is equals to admin page, papasok kay admin page, slash, and yung page na. Is equals to user. Users. Okay, lagyan na lang natin siya ng indicator success equals to 1. Okay. Yan. So, test natin. It should be successful in adding or saving the new user. So, add tayo dito. User is ASD. Password ASD. Username ASD. First name ASD. Required siguro to or hindi. Click natin yung save. Ayun. So, yan. New user successfully added. Alright. Saan to yung code na to? Balikan natin si user. Nandito si user. Yan. Dahil yan dito, new user. Itong successful indicator natin. This pop-up, this alert is coming from here. Okay? So, oops. Wala siyang button. Button X. Kulang pala dito, guys. So, and times. Wala siyang X. Balikan natin. Yan. Refresh. Yun. Meron na siyang X dito. X button. Okay. So, nag-work. Nag-work ba? Parang hindi na save. Bumalik lang. Balikan natin yung sign up. Saving process natin. Oops. Dito may mali. Name. Dapat kasi guys, yung data, yung ASD nag-appear dito. But since wala, i-double check natin yung code natin. Time zone check, database check, post names. Post names. Tama yung spelling, wrong. MySQLi, query, TBL, uname. Alright, so, ulitin natin. Add tayo ulit. Dapat successful and then, lalabas dun. So, ba't ayaw niya lumabas? Okay, i-debug natin to. Debug natin, hanapin natin yung error. Ayun, nandito pala yung error. Instead na value, vale. So, value dapat, value. Okay, without S value. Without S or yeah, without S. Sige, try natin. Output. Ito tayo ng output. Okay, dito. Add ulit. Yan, save. Okay. Ayun, bingo. So, na-save. If you ask kung bakit lumalabas to kahit failed, it's because nag-i-exit yung program natin after ma-insert. Kahit failed yung query, pwede natin i-condition on the next video, not now. Alright, so successful yung pag-add natin dito. Yung next target natin is the edit and delete button. So, punta na tayo kay edit sa baba. Edit. So, unahin natin si edit button. Okay. Itong color blue or info. CI. So, nandito yung I natin. Ito. So, meron ba tayong edit user sa page? Wala. Okay, so gawa tayo. Control N. Save. So, this is edit page. Edit user.php. Okay. So, gawa tayo dito ng edit form, by the way. So, yung edit form natin, kung i-edit natin, anong i-edit natin na info? Of course, the username, the first name, the last name, and other info. So, since we have here a sign up, ito yun rin yung gagamitin natin doon kay edit, of course, the form. So, i-copy natin si sign up form. Okay, tapos i-close na lang natin siya dito kay edit. Okay. So, yung magde-difference lang, okay, try natin kung ma-work yung menu muna. Okay, yung button. I-edit natin si Carlo Motugina. Okay. Ay, sorry. Carlo Matugina. Okay. Gumana yung button, yung link natin, yung page, editing page. I-edit na lang natin dito yung name and dapat merong mag-appear dito na mga information. Okay? Dapat lumabas yung information ni Matugina dito. And i-edit natin to. Tapos ito is update. Okay, so i-update natin to. Nandito tayo kay update. Tapos, hindi add new user but update information. Yan. Balikan natin, refresh, yun. Tapos update dito. Okay, then i-loop na natin yung form mismo. Okay? I-minimize ko muna to. Okay, hanggang dito para makita nyo yung code. Ay. Sige, diretso na lang. So, PHP require once again, the same before. So, we are connecting here into the database / db underscore con.php. Okay? That is for a connection to the database. Now, we need a user ID variable is equals to get. Kunin natin galing doon sa pag-click. Okay? So, this is user ID. Where this ID came from. So, balik tayo dito kay user. Nandito. We get this ID. Ito yung variable na humawak. And these IDs came from the database. Okay? Dito mismo sa table. Sa database mismo. So, variable again and its value is this. Okay? Then, yung directory is ito. So, let's go back sa edit user.php. And let us create a query for our MySQL query. And connection, then the statement, select asterisk from tbl user where user ID is equals to the user ID. Okay. Then, we'll create a looping statement here. Getting the data, get data. And that is equals to MySQL fetch array and the query. So, loop natin yung form. So, instead, dyan, yung close natin is nandito. Sa baba. PHP. Yan. So, let me explain. Tanggalin ko muna to. So, yung ilulup niya is dito. Ilulup yung data, every field, ilulup niya dito sa gitna. Okay? Yung username and password. So, for username and password, tanggalin na natin, huwag natin tanggalin. We will add a value here. Yes, because we expect on our edit, we expect data here. We expect value coming from clicking this icon para ma-edit. So, value, PHP echo, then get data. This is for uname. Alright, so copy and paste natin para madali. And this is for the password. Okay, next is the username. Oops. Okay, the username value. So this is for the L name. And last is the first name. Alright, so we only have 4. Okay, we only have 4. We need the ID here. We need the ID. So, yan yung magdadala ng unique ID. User ID. So, naka-hide lang si ID. And yung value niya is user ID and not necessary with the placeholder, hindi na kailangan. Also the class, hindi na kailangan. Yung importante lang ni ID is user ID and the value. Why we need the user ID and value? Of course, when we click this button, we have to see the value here. Dito kayo tumingin. The value, user ID. Tignan nyo. Yan. User ID is equals to 2, user ID is equals to 5, user ID is equals to 6. Nakikita dito. Yan. User ID is equals. So, when we click that, ibig sabihin, we select the specific data. That's why we have to get here the ID and the conditions here of the statement. Then, yung data na na-click natin, yun lang yung lalabas. Then, i-try nga natin. I-click natin si Carlo Matugina. Ayun. So, lumabas si Carlo Matugina with his password, surname, and first name. Now, when we click update, dapat mag-update. So, yun yung next na gagawin natin. When we click the update button, it will go on the action form using method post. So, do we have here the save user? Wala pa. So, wala pa tayong save user. So, we will create, save user, meron pala. Update pala, update. Okay, we will create here an update user. Hindi, save, update. So, Control N, save to the process. Hindi siya page, but process. So, this is update user.php. Alright. So, yun yung i-code natin next. Ipapasa dito. Okay, papasa dito kay user ID. Okay, user ID is equals to post. Post na siya. Then, user ID. Copy and paste 5 times para kay uname. For the password. Next is for the L name and F name. Yan. And we have to change the time, date and time. Do we need to include the update? Not necessary. Okay. So, query, again, query is equals to MySQL I. Ibahin natin. Statement lang dito. So, update. TBL user set uname is equals to the uname. Dapat hindi wrong spelling. Password is equals to pass. Okay. Comma. Then, we have the L name is equals to L name. Comma. F name is equals to F name. Where? Okay, where user ID is equals to user ID. Yan, siya yung magdadala. Close natin yung statement. Then, if the MySQL query, SQL query, then connection, then yung query sa taas, is mag-fail, mag-true, echo tayo, where to go next? The script. Okay. So, script, diretso siya sa window.php. location.href is equals to. So, saan siya pupunta sunod? Sa page is equals to edit user. Okay, and a success indicator here, and success indicator is equals to 1, and the user ID is equals to the user ID. Oops. End. Hindi $sign. End. Alright, so else, kapag mali naman, pag mali naman, error. So, error lang yung papalitan natin. This is only an indicator where to go next, and merong alert na lalabas for the success and for the error na lalabas dito sa after editing natin. Okay, after editing. So, dyan saan na siya lalabas? Edit. Meron ba? Wala. Walang success indicator. Doon siya kay edit, no? Teka muna. Update. Nandito tayo kay process. Lalabas siya. Pupunta dito kay admin. So, dapat babalik siya kay update. So, dapat merong folder dito is equals to admin pages/end. Yan. Yan siya dapat. So, ayan. After dito, babalik siya kay edit, no? So, punta tayo kay edit. Dito, dapat, we will receive here an alert. Okay, an information or an error. A success information or error. So, we will copy an error na lang dito. Like, for example, this one. An indicator na successful si updating natin. So, saan siya lalabas? So, after this, update info. So, dito, update info. Paste, PHP. Okay, paste. Okay, ito yung success indicator natin. Balik tayo dito kay update. So, user success. Tama, equals to 1. So, dito success. So, hindi new user, but users information is successfully updated. Yan. Information. Okay, so yan. Yan yung dapat lalabas. Kapag error naman, mag-else tayo dito. Else. Yan. Then, i-copy rin natin to. Else if na lang. Sa error. Maghanap tayo ng error. Walang error. Yun. Remove. Okay, so this one here. Okay, this is for the error. Error updating. Okay, user updating has a problem. Updating information has a problem. Yan. Okay, danger. Okay, balikan natin dito. Kapag error naman. Okay, so try natin. Okay, double check muna natin dito. So, database, then yung post. Lagyan natin ng comment dito. Posted data. Mas maganda yung may comment. Yes, it's better na merong comment. So, this is a query. Okay, so posted. Oops, si password guys, dapat tama, di ba? Dapat naka MD5 to. Okay, so MD5. And then, update TBL set, password, lname, fname, where user ID. Okay, tapos dito, babalik kapag true. Kapag error naman, error yung lalabas. Okay. So, okay na siguro lahat. So, i-test natin yung codes. Okay, balikan natin dito. Then, i-edit natin si Carlo Matugina. Edit. Carlo Matugina. Balik tayo sa code. Lname. Okay, so edit natin yung username ni Carlo. That is Matugina. Mat, yung password. Surname niya is Matu. Yung first name is Carlos. Okay? Tignan natin kung mag-change. Then, click Update. Ayun. So, user's information is successfully updated. And then, yung username is Matt na. Then, password Matt. Bakit pareho sila? Okay, pareho sila. Debug natin. So, tayo ng users. Bakit pareho yung name? Name. F name. L name. F name. L name. F name. Oops. Bakit FL name yan? Okay, ulitin natin. So, Matt, dapat si first name is Carlos. Update. Okay, so Carlos na. Close natin. Then yun. Matt, Carlos, Matu. Last name. First name, Carlos. Tama. Okay, so yun na yung update natin. Nakapag-add user na tayo. Tapos nakapag-edit. Now, lastly is the remove. So, ang remove is simple lang. Balik tayo ng code. Okay, balik tayo ng user. Then, sa baba. Okay, at the bottom, we have here the icon for the remove. Then, do we have a remove page? Walang remove page. Kasi hindi siya page. Remove is a process. Okay, walang remove process. So, Control N. Save natin sa process. So, this is remove user.php. Okay, remove user.php. Then, create ulit tayo ng PHP. Kopyahin natin yung database para madali. And, so we will call up again the ID. Variable to, user ID is equals to get, of course, dahil directory siya. Then, user ID. Enter. Then, the query here. Variable query is equals to the query statement. Pwedeng ganito, pwede yung kanina. Delete, pareha lang sila. Delete from tbl user, where user ID is equals to the user ID. Okay. Then if MySQL query, then the connection followed by the query statement natin, echo where to go next. Where to go next? Update user, kopyahin natin siya para pareho lang. Okay? Actually, pareho lang sila. Okay? Si update user tsaka remove, pareha lang sila ng direction. Success and error, so ID rin yung hanap nila. Pareha lang yun sila, guys, ha? Pareha yung output indicator ni update and remove. So, kung remove, hindi dapat successful. Okay, tama. Green dapat. So, green naman. Green natin siya. Dito kay remove. So, sa user, dapat yung green. Success, up. Success, remove. Okay, itong remove. Success, remove. Ayan. This one, success, new user, ito, user successfully removed. Nandito na pala. Then, user successfully updated. Updated. This is a user. Okay. So, success rem. Yan. Remove. So, try natin if we will, if the button will work. So, I will remove this ASD. Remove. Okay. So, where is this pop-up came from? Balikan na muna natin. Nandito yan. This on click here. Sa button mismo. On click. On click, return, confirm. The system will ask first if you are sure to remove the data. Okay, so then click. Then, okay. Oops. Bakit may error? Balikan natin. Okay, balikan natin yung codes nito. Bakit doon siya pumunta? Codes. So, mali pala dito. Punta tayo ng users. Users pala yung page. Hindi edit. Dahil hindi tayo nag-edit. Okay, users. Nandito. Users. Okay, so may error kanina. So, ito pala dito, kulang ng single quote. Yan, single quote. Tanggalin natin yung comment. Tsaka itong not. Okay. Try ulit natin. Output. Okay, try nga natin ulit. Yung button na to. Okay, double check muna. Okay, so saan pupunta? Dito kay admin page, user, success. Wala na pala itong ID na to. Remove. Not included kasi hindi na tayo babalik kay edit. Remove na. So, redirectly, punta ng user. Hindi na kailangan yung user ID. Okay, try natin. So, refresh. And then, delete. Okay. Ayun. So, na-remove na yung ASD. Then, sa new user successfully added. Bakit added? So, success. Remove dapat. Remove. Yan, success remove. Then, error remove. So, success remove dapat. Yung success remove is nandito. Ulitin natin. Carlo Matugina. Yan. User successfully removed. So, dapat, information siya. Danger yung ilagay natin. Danger. Yan. So, add ulit tayo ng ASD. Okay. So, new user successfully added. Tapos, remove. Yan. Color red. User successfully removed. Okay. So, yun na yung last for this video. This is 42 minutes. And you can review again the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.